What if I told you that Amazon just dropped 20 game-changing tools that could revolutionize your workshop? From a $7 saw that's been legendary since 1935 to a $5,000 lathe that transforms before your eyes, we're about to explore the most innovative tools that just hit the market. Some of these will blow your mind with their ingenuity, while others might make you question if you really need to spend thousands. Stick around because number 14 on our list does something no other tool can do, and it costs less than your morning coffee for a week. The pocket-sized powerhouse. Let's start with something that'll fit right in your toolbox without taking up space. This mini circular saw packs serious punch despite its compact size. What makes it special? The laser guidance system that ensures your cuts are precise every single time. Just line up that red beam and follow it. It's like having a professional guide your hand. The 4-amp motor might sound small, but it spins at 3,500 RPM, giving you the power to cut through materials up to 43 millimeters deep. Plus, it comes with carbide-tipped blades and a vacuum adapter, so your workspace stays clean while you work. At just $23, this little giant proves that good things really do come in small packages. The invisible screw. Here's something that'll change how you think about outdoor projects. This deck installation system hides every single screw from view using a clever 50-degree angle technique. What used to be visible fasteners become completely invisible, giving your deck that premium, seamless look. The built-in spacers automatically create perfect gaps for water drainage. No measuring required. It handles boards between 9 and 15 centimeters thick, and the integrated drill storage means you'll never lose your bit. Professional deck builders are calling this a game changer, and at $70, it pays for itself in time saved alone. The Swiss Army knife. Imagine a saw that adapts to any situation. This one-handed cutting tool rotates its head from 0 to 32 degrees, letting you tackle angles that would be impossible with traditional saws. The automatic oil pump keeps the chain lubricated during operation, extending the tool's life significantly. With the telescopic extension, you can reach branches up to 3 meters high, perfect for pruning or construction work. The basic version starts at $126, and when you consider replacing multiple specialized tools, it's actually quite economical. Precision carving. Wood carvers, this one's for you. This compact milling tool reaches tight spaces that larger tools simply can't access. It carves deep grooves and intricate patterns with surgical precision. The carbide blades can be rotated when one side dulls, saving you money on replacements. The adjustable depth limiter prevents you from going too deep, while the anti-kickback technology keeps you safe during operation. At $120, it's an investment that serious woodworkers will appreciate for years to come. Cordless performance. Milwaukee has cracked the code on cordless circular saws. This brushless motor maintains a steady 6,300 RPM even under heavy loads, something that used to be impossible without a power cord. The smart electronics prevent overheating and burnout, protecting your investment. A single battery charge delivers up to 700 cuts, enough for an entire day's work. The electric brake stops the blade instantly for safety, and the built-in LED clearly illuminates your cutting line. Yes, it's $398, but for professionals who need reliability, it's worth every penny. Artistic joinery. These templates transform basic joints into decorative masterpieces. 6 different patterns across 3 templates give you endless creative possibilities. Swapping templates takes less than a minute, and with a standard 8mm router bit, you can create half-blind, through, and end-to-end joints with organic shapes. CNC machining ensures accuracy down to hundredths of a millimeter. At $340, it's an investment in craftsmanship that will set your work apart from the competition. The perfect curve creator. This 30mm wall gouge is essential for anyone making spoons, bowls, or curved wooden items. It shapes perfect concave surfaces in seconds, work that used to take hours with traditional tools. The circular blade actually sharpens itself during use and can be rotated or replaced when needed. Anti-grab technology prevents the tool from digging too deep into your workpiece. It fits standard angle grinders and handles speeds up to 12,000 RPM. For $130, it's a specialized tool that delivers professional results. The blade-changing revolution. Scroll saw users know the biggest frustration, changing blades. This engineering marvel solves that problem with a top mechanism that clamps and tensions the blade in one smooth motion. No more wrestling with tiny components or losing your patience. The arm tilts 45 degrees in either direction while keeping the table level, ensuring perfect cutting accuracy. The cast iron table eliminates vibrations, and the foot pedal frees your hands for precision work. It's like having a sculpture studio in your workshop. Freedom from compressors. This cordless brad nailer eliminates the need for noisy compressors and tangled air hoses. The mechanical spring system drives 5 cm nails with the force of a pneumatic gun. On a single 2-hour battery charge, it drives 700 nails, perfect for a full day of trim work. Weighing just 2.5 kilograms, it won't tire your arm during extended use. The LED light illuminates the nail spot, and the depth adjusts without tools. At around $120, it's liberation from the limitations of compressed air systems. The ultimate workbench helper. This rotating clamp secures pieces at any angle with 360-degree rotation capability. The specially designed notch handles molding and corner work perfectly. It opens up to 12 centimeters to grip various materials and fits standard 20 millimeters workbench holes. With a holding capacity of 111 kilograms, it's like having an extra pair of incredibly strong hands. At $35, it's an affordable addition that'll get used on every project. Instant moisture detection. This moisture meter looks like an oversized pen but delivers laboratory-level precision. Simply insert the 2 sharp probes into wood and instantly see moisture percentage from 0 to 58%. 7 different modes handle everything from oak to plaster. The color-changing display makes interpretation foolproof. Green means dry, orange is normal, and red indicates wet conditions. At just $17, it's an essential tool for anyone working with wood, preventing costly mistakes from using improperly dried materials. One-person plywood transport. Moving large sheets of plywood alone used to be dangerous and awkward. This panel carrier changes everything. One person can easily handle a 1.2 by 2.4 meter sheet weighing up to 45 kilograms. The grip-coated pads automatically adjust to thicknesses up to 19 millimeters. The ergonomic handle with thick padding won't dig into your hands, and the physics-based design means the heavier the load, the tighter the grip. It's simple engineering that solves a real problem. 4 tools in one compact design. This drilling positioning ruler combines 4 essential tools into one compact unit. It functions as a ruler, square, level, and template simultaneously. 3 adjustable blocks ensure precise hole marking, while dual-axis bubble levels show both horizontal and vertical alignment. The aerospace-grade aluminum construction with permanent UV printing ensures longevity. At $30, it's like getting 4 precision tools for the price of 1, saving both money and storage space. The push block that thinks. This push block has earned recognition as the best on the market for good reason. Smart hooks automatically drop down when holding board ends and retract on their own in the middle. Gravity does the work. The green coating grips like glue but lasts longer than regular rubber. Rotate at 90 degrees for vertical rata table work. At $29, it's a safety investment that also improves your work quality. Multi-purpose support system. These hex-shaped support blocks solve multiple workshop problems simultaneously. Their unique shape prevents sliding, and each supports up to 200 kilograms. The 38 millimeters height works perfectly with standard clamps and bars. The grip coating clings like suction cups, making them perfect for painting, sanding, gluing, and more. Pop-up points minimize contact during finishing work. At $30 for the set, they're versatile helpers you'll use constantly. Professional lock installation. Installing door locks used to require precise measurements and multiple tools. This installation kit clamps onto any door without screws. The cobalt hole saw is cut through wood and metal, whether the door is hollow or solid. Metal guide bushings won't wear out over years of use. The kit fits standard door thicknesses and positions handles and latches with precision. It's professional results without professional experience. Zero setup drilling precision. This aluminum pocket hole jig eliminates setup time and guesswork. The built-in dust port keeps your workspace clean by clearing shavings instantly. Engraved scales won't fade even after decades of use. The removable base transforms the fixed jig into a portable tool in seconds. 4 ports provide different drilling options, and the complete set includes everything needed plus 50 screws. At $80, it's an investment that pays dividends in time saved and quality results. industrial strength in palm size. This eccentric clamp weighs only 250 grams but delivers incredible clamping pressure. The hardened steel cam mechanism generates tremendous force with a simple turn. The magnetic base sticks to any metal surface for hands-free operation. Black coating protects against corrosion, ensuring years of reliable service. At $21, it's professional-grade capability in a pocket-sized package. The legendary $7 saw. This iconic saw has been in production since 1935, and the company even changed its name to honor this tool. The pistol grip design fits comfortably in any hand size. The blade locks into 4 positions with automatic engagement. It cuts in spaces where other tools simply can't reach. 2 blades are included, one for metal, one for wood. Weighing the same as a smartphone at just 90 grams, it's incredibly portable. At $7, it's proof that legendary tools don't need to break the bank. The $5,000 shake shifter. This transformable lathe redefines workshop flexibility. With a simple switch, the working length doubles from 50 to 100 centimeters as the frame slides over the motor. The 3-horsepower motor handles any project you can imagine. The LCD display shows speeds from 20 to 3,850 RPM, clearly visible from across the workshop. Weighing as much as 2 cement bags eliminates vibrations completely. The magnetic control panel positions wherever you need it. At $5,000, it's a serious investment for serious woodworkers. These 20 tools represent the cutting edge of workshop innovation. From budget-friendly solutions that solve everyday problems to professional-grade equipment that'll last decades. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional craftsperson, there's something here that'll make your next project easier, faster, or more precise. The best part? Many of these tools solve problems you didn't even know you had until you see them in action. That $17 moisture meter could save you from ruined projects, while the $7 legendary saw might become your go-to tool for tight spaces. If you found value in discovering these innovative tools, hit that like button to help others find this video too. And don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews and workshop innovations. We're constantly discovering new gear that could revolutionize how you work. What's the most useful budget tool in your workshop? Drop a comment below and let us know.